Myself is Nanu Shetty. Today we will see about disaster nursing, disaster topic. So, aim to learn disaster is that it will provide knowledge to students for providing emergency care to the community as well as hospital sector. So, there are some objectives of this disaster nursing, like definition, like classification of disaster, then discuss the effect of disaster, essentials of disaster, then discuss the principle of disaster management and role of nursing disaster nurse. So one by one we will see. First we will see the definition. Definition of disaster nursing. In that, so disaster can be defined as any disruptive event that disturb the normal functioning of community. So disaster is nothing but when there will be a destruction, there will be a normal changes in normal living of human being because of some abnormal changes or some emergency situation. So another definition is that disaster can be defined as any occurrence of the damage or the ecological disruption or loss of the human life for deterioration of health or the other services. So disaster is nothing but there will be changes, there will be harm or normal living that can disturb the normal living of people. So next is now we are seeing the definitions. Next will be the classification of disaster nursing. So disaster can be classified into two types, natural disaster and man-made disaster. So first is the natural. Under natural there will be a tsunami, like tsunami, tornadoes, earthquakes, floods. These are the types of natural disasters. Then there are some man-made disasters like that can be caused due to the man. So man-made like complex emergencies, technology, industrial accidents, then the nuclear accidents. So these are the types. First one natural. So we have seen tsunamis. Then there are some tornadoes. Like there will be a earthquake. Then man-made there will be a complex emergencies or any harm due to the terrorist attack, then industrial accident and nuclear accidents. So these are the classification of disaster nursing. Then next we will see. So see these are the pictures like tornadoes. Then whirlpool, then tsunami, then floods, then man-made disasters like fire outbreak, then man-made disasters like complex emergency technologies, industrial accident and nuclear accidents. So there are some health effects of disaster. So what effects will be occur on our health because of the disaster? So because of disaster, the premature death or illness or injury can be occurred. So because of this disruption, because of this emergency situation or emergency cause, there will be a premature death. Means premature death will be occurred. Then illness or injuries can be occurred. Then disruption of healthcare services. Destruction of healthcare services like because of this disaster, so normal living of people, like normal living, so these changes can be occurred. This living will be disturbed. Living of normal living, so that can be disturbed. That is the health illness because of disaster. The next, communicable diseases. Communicable diseases like this diarrhea, then dengue, malaria. This type of diseases can be occurred because of this disaster situation. Then psychological or emotional conditions can be caused because of interruption or this loss of a normal human being. So like psychological disorders like there will be a distress, there will be this mania, bipolar disorder, schizophrenia, then stress. This kind of diseases can be occurred because of this disorders. Then shortage of food and nutritional deficiencies. So as we have seen other effects like premature death, disruption of the nuclear disease and psychological emergencies or the psychological diseases. So because of all these things, So lastly, there will be a shortage of food. So if we have seen in the creation, there is loss of normal human being. So automatically there will be a shortage of food and this nutritional deficiencies. The next, essential elements of disaster management. So for treating disaster, to manage disaster, so there is disaster cycle. Means we have to treat like 2 pages, preparedness phase, disaster preparedness, disaster control, disaster event, then relief, then reconstructions, then rebuilding and risk modification or the medication or the risk treatment. So this is the normal disaster cycle. If you want to treat, if you want to cure, or if you want to control disaster, through this cycle you have to go. Like preparedness. In preparedness, there should be a preparedness before occurrence of any disaster. So we have to prepare for to face out the disaster. Then second, disaster event. For like any disasters, like earthquake or tsunami. So what we have to do? So before occurrence of earthquake, before occurrence of tsunami, so we should be prepared for self preparedness and community preparedness should be there. Then relief in the kind of to the area. So where disaster is occurring in that area, we have to provide the facilities like food, shelter, then medical facilities or the care we have to provide. And restoration manage like if there is destruction of or the destruction of schools, destruction of medical facility, we should have to rebuild that all the facilities. So that is kind of restoration. Then rebuilding. So again we have to start the new projects or the new community setup. Then risk reduction for prevention. Like we are saying, prevention is better than cure. Like that, only we have to reduce the risk as early as possible. So this is regarding the disaster cycle. Then challenges to disaster planning. So what will be the challenges to during the disaster? So first challenges will be communication problem. During disaster, there will be communication problem between the care provider and those are facing into the disaster. So that gap should we have to find out. Then triage, transportation and evaluation problem will be occur. Then leadership issue will be occur. So for treating or for reduction of diseases or for providing disaster treatment, so we need the proper leader. Then the management, security of the and destruction of the resources at the disaster site. So there should be a proper management in the site of the disaster. Then advanced warning system and the effectiveness of warning messages. So there should be a warning messages or the advanced setup to warn the community regarding the disasters. Then coordination of search and rescue effort. So there should be a coordination between this coordinator and research operation. The next is the media issue. There will be a media issue because of media. They are spreading the abnormal or whatever is happening. There will be a 2% disaster, or out of 100 there will be a 40%, 30% people are injured. So media is spreading like 70%, 80%. So more information there, more things they are spreading. So that will be the issue. Then effective triage of patient. So effective triage protocol means we should have segregate patient like according to their severity. What kind of severity is there? According to that they should be segregated immediately. So that effect or that problem will be occur in the form of triage. The disruption of patient to hospital in an equitable fashion. So after triage, the patients or the victims, or those are injured, they should be transferred to the hospital or they should be distributed to the hospital according to their severity, according to their condition. Their patient identification and tracking. So last issue is that, so patient identification and patient tracking. So So that proper setup, that proper system should be there to identify the patient and to track the patient. So how much they are injured according to that, that should be criteria should be there. Then damage or destruction of the healthcare infrastructure. So because of disaster, there will be a destruction in the healthcare infrastructure or that will be damaged. So that will be the another issue to face out or to solve disaster or to prepare during the disaster. So these are the some issues that can occur during the disaster situation. So this is about the disaster. So we have seen the definition of disaster, then the types of disaster, then some issues during the disaster and the management. Okay, thank you.